So children, now we will start question number 7. Before that, I want to tell you the answer of question number 6. Ki if 1 is decreased, so angle 2 will be increased. If angle 1 will increased, so angle 2 will be decreased. Now question 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? So if both will be acute means angle less than 90 degrees is called as acute angle. If I am adding these two angle, then I will get 178. That is not supplementary angle. Second case I am taking, both will be obtuse. Obtuse means an angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees. Suppose one is 91, another one is also 91, because the least value I am taking na. So 182, again it is more than 180, so this case is not possible. Now third condition, what is given? Both will be right angle. Both will be right angle. So one is 90, another one is also 90. So I am getting what? 180. Yes, this is the correct answer. So both of them are answer. I will write both of them are right or right angles. Is that clear? Now question number 8. An angle is greater than 45. Is its complementary angle greater than 45, is equals to 45 or less than 45? One angle is given to us 45. Another angle we have to find to make it as a complement angle. So 80x is equals to 90 minus 45. So x is equals to what? 45. So I will write the answer. Angle will be equal to 45 degree. Understood my point? Now question number 9. Question number 9. Okay. So this figure is given, and according to this figure we have to give the answer. Is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Angle 1 and angle 2. Yes, both are adjacent if they are having one common side. So C is common side in angle 1 and 2. That's why these two angles are adjacent. So I will write yes. Second one is AOC, means AOC, this angle 1, and adjacent to AOE, AOE. No, these angle 1 and this angle, these two will be not adjacent. Why? Because they are not having one common side and one more. बोथ आर हैविंग OA कॉमन है ना, लेकिन एडजेसेंट जो होते हैं उनमें बीच में जो लाइन होती है वो लाइन उनको डिवाइड करनी चाहिए दो एंगल्स को, और जस्ट एक दूसरे के साथ अटैच होने चाहिए दोनों एंगल. लेकिन ये तो ग्रेटर एंगल है और इसका हाफ पार्ट दिया हुआ है, ये दोनों एडजेसेंट नहीं होंगे. सो दिस विल बी नो. थर्ड वन, डू COE. COE मीन्स एंगल 2 and EOD angle 4 and 3 form a linear pair. Yes, because this line I am getting. COE means this angle, then EOD, then 3 and 4. So if 2, 3 and 4 I am taking this 3 angles, so it will be a linear pair. Yes. Fourth one, are BOD DOA supplementary? So see, first one is BOD. So BOD, this angle 4 है ना, and DOA, this angle 5. Both are supplementary. Yes, both are linear pairs, so both will be supplementary also. Yes. Fifth one, angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4. 1 and 4 both are vertically opposite. Yes, both are vertically opposite. Then what is the vertically opposite angle of 5? See, this greater angle is 5 and this greater angle we have 2 plus 3. So here I will write angle 2 plus angle 3. Is that clear? Now question number 10. Indicate which pair of angles are vertically opposite angle or linear pair. So this I will write in notebook. Okay. फिगर देख के आंसर लिखेंगे। सो फर्स्ट क्या पूछ रहा है, 10th वन। फर्स्ट बोल रहा है वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स। तो वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल देखो इसमें कौन कौन से वर्टिकली अपोजिट, 1 और 4 वर्टिकली अपोजिट हुए, और 5 किसके अपोजिट हुआ, 3 + 2 के। तो वर्टिकली अपोजिट है एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 4, दिस इज द फर्स्ट पेयर। एंड सेकेंड वन एंगल 5 किसके इक्वल है, एंगल 2 + एंगल 3। देन सेकेंड वन लीनियर पेयर, वी हैव टू टेल व्हाट, लीनियर पेयर। सो लीनियर पेयर में क्या क्या बन रहा है, यू कैन सी एंगल 5 and 1. So first pair angle 5 and angle 1. Second pair angle 5 and angle 4. Angle 5 and angle 4. Then third pair what we can take, 1 2 3, ये straight line है, उसमें 1 2 3 तीन एंगल बन रहे हैं, एंगल 1 2 and 3 ओके। और नीचे देखेंगे तो 4 3 2, angle 4 3 2. So these angles are forming linear pair. Now question number 11. This is the figure given to us and what they are asking for, in the following figure angle 1 adjacent to angle 2 give reason. अब angle 1 और angle 2 adjacent हो ही नहीं सकते क्योंकि these two angles are not sharing with each other, और दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ अटैच नहीं है। अगर दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ अटैच होते, टच करते, तब हम उसको बोलते क्या, एडजेसेंट। बट राइट नाउ दे आर नॉट एडजेसेंट, सो नो, दे आर नॉट एडजेसेंट बिकॉज दे आर नॉट अटैच्ड with each other. Understood? Now 12th one, find the values of the following angles. Now you can see vertically opposite angle, so this will be what, 55, क्योंकि vertically opposite angle क्या होते हैं, equal होते हैं, है ना। and this z and x क्या है, linear pair है, तो हम क्या लेंगे, x + z = 180। लीनियर पेयर का कॉन्सेप्ट होता है कि सम ऑफ टू एंगल विल बी 180। सो दिस इज 55 एंड दिस इज 180। सो z = 180 - 55, 10 - 5 is 5, 7 - 5 is 2, 125। So angle z is 125. If angle z is 125, then angle y will be also 125. Why? Because of vertically opposite angles. Understood? Now I am telling you second question, second one. Okay, फिगर बनाती हूँ मैं नोटबुक में, फिर तुमको बताऊंगी। फर्स्ट का भी सॉल्यूशन ऐसे ही लिखना है, ठीक है। दिस इज 25, दिस इज 40, दिस इज x, this is y and this is z. Now you people can see 40 and z both are equal by vertically opposite angle. So I will write z is equal to 40. Here you have to write vertically opposite angle. So reason you have to write, okay. And then angle 40 plus angle x plus 25 will be 180. Why? Because they are forming linear pair. See, 40 x and 25 straight line है, and these three angles are going to make a linear pair. So 25 and 40 will be 65 is equals to 180. So x is equals to 180 minus 65. So क्या मिलेगा, 10 - 5 is 5, 7 - 6 is 1, so 115. This angle x is 115. Now I have to find angle y. So देखो z and y are also making linear pair. So z plus y is equals to 180. Because of linear pair, in place of z I have to put 40. So y is equals to 180 minus 40. So y is equals to 140 degree. So this is the answer. Understood? Now fill in the blanks. fill in the blanks we can do in the textbook only. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is 90 degree. If two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Two angles forming a linear pair is 180 or supplementary. We can say them supplementary also. Next one, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, they form a linear pair. What they form? Linear pair. If two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. Okay. If two lines intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angle, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse angle. What it will be? Obtuse angle. Okay. Then in the adjoining figure, name the following pair of angle. Obtuse vertically opposite angle. वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल जो कि क्या है? ऑब्ट्यूज मीन्स मोर देन 90. तो वो एंगल हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. बताओ तो कौन से होंगे?